Another video. Today we had the deal of the day. They did change a little bit of tools, so they added some more tools to the deal of the day, and we still have some of the older tools that we did see earlier in this week. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way to press the platform by subscribing and likes, so help out the channel by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So yeah guys, they added all these combos. These are the atomic 20 volt impact driver and drill driver combo for $199. You get your choice of a free tool. So this is the oscillator tool, which I think it's a really good deal because this tool by itself it's more than $100. So you're basically getting this for 100 and this for 100, if you want to put it that way. It's a really good deal. And then this one, does the one hand the reciprocating saw. This one's the sander, and this was this one's the just the drill itself and the oscillating tool without the impact driver. So I would definitely go for this one for $30 more. All right, you got the Milwaukee fuel 12 volt lithium. It's the impact driver and the hammer drill, $199. We've seen this before. The right angle die grinder, $159. And then this one you get the impact driver, you get the drill driver, hammer drill. And then you got the ratchet, I believe it's non-fuel. You got the speaker, for $429. Most of these, like I said, most of these we already seen before, and it's not really the first time we see them this week, at least. Alright, I got the installation driver. So most of these we already seen before. $259, yeah. Got a Joby kit there, 5.2 combo kit. Alright, this is not a bad deal. I don't know, I can't remember if we've seen this before, but this is a pretty good deal. Oscillating multi-tool blade, 14 piece, $54.97. It's a really good deal on this. I got the fuel surge, $179. Alright, so you got the rigid, $199. It's not really the best deal ever. It's not really a deal actually. Alright. Yeah, this one's a really good deal. It's a compact brushless 2-tool combo kit with a cutoff tool, I think. Yeah, so it's impact driver. What's the deal with my Home Depot today? With my internet. So you get some compact lithium 2-tool combo kit, 3/8 impact wrench, 3-inch multi-material saw, and then you get this impact wrench here. So you got the impact driver, drill driver. So it's a pretty good deal actually. Yeah, that's a really good deal. Alright, you got Black & Decker there. Let's see what else. I guess these are okay. They're not the best prices. For $3.99, I would rather just buy something else. It's becoming a little pricey now. Yeah, but this one does include the impact wrench. That's why. So I guess it's okay deal. Yeah, it's a pretty good deal. Same thing with this. This is actually a better deal because it doesn't include this for an extra $100 or $60. So if you don't want the extra tool, like they say they have here, then just get this one for $239. Then you got this one 4-tool combo kit, $269. These are all HP tools, by the way. These are the newer tools. Same thing with this $199. You got the wet and dry vac, $189. This is the M12 fuel, I believe, and it does come with the 6, I think. Yeah, it comes with the 6. All right. So you got the impact wrench, $389. Nothing special about that. $4.99 for a 7-tool combo kit. These are all the same. They just, the only thing they changed is the accessory kit here, and on this one they changed the batteries, and this one's different. This is a 5.2 Comica 393. Got some outdoor power equipment here from Ryobi. 34.97. You got a blower, 69.97. All right, let's see what else. You got another blower there. Yeah, it's just pretty much just stuff we've seen before. Now these weed whackers are a pretty good deal. DeWalt 20 volt. Yeah, this is a weed whacker for 99 bucks. I believe this is not the top of the line. I believe this was one of the better ones that they have. Actually, these two. This was a 60 volt. So you got all three here. And it doesn't look like it's a kit. It looks like it's just two only. So 149, pretty good deal if you're on the DeWalt line. Then these are back from last time. Same thing with these. This is pretty good deal here. 324. You get in the blower. You get the chainsaw by itself is $2.99. So basically, you get this for $24 if you want to look at it that way. Got the brushless cordless string trimmer and the blower combo. $353. You got some more Makitas here. Nothing that we haven't seen before. This one's already sold out. Alright, you got some organizers here. 3/8 SAE ratchet and socket mechanics tool set with the tote. $149. You got the metric set. $149. You got the pack out with the tote with the hand tool set. 99 bucks. Got the backpack with the screwdrivers. 84. Got 191 piece mechanics tool set. Yeah, I think it's way too expensive for $7.99. You got the Big Hog carbide hole saw kit. $159. Got the torque lock. $89.97. The spade bits. $19.99. This is a pretty good deal. Shockwave impact duty 2-inch Phillips number 2 alloy steel screws bits. $23.99. And then if you combine it, if you guys don't know, if you guys combine the ones that say buy more save more, the bits, yeah, even the sockets and the reciprocating saws, everything that says buy more save more, you can get a couple bucks off. So I would definitely combine it with other items and get it even cheaper. $2.99 for this. This is a 3/8 and a 1/2 inch drive SAE metric socket ratchet set. See, nothing that pops up. This was the Shockwave impact duty titanium drill bit set. 46 piece, $44.97. I think this is a really good deal. Most of these are like 30 bucks by themselves. Alright, that's it for today, guys. Just a lot of same old stuff we've seen before. We do have some of the new DeWalts and the Ryobis. And so, anyways, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.